14 units currently and about 400 cadets. We've been in operation in the province since 1941. We have changed quite a lot in that time insofar as to keep up with our parent service, the Royal Air Force, who have a project called Royal Air Force Astra. We have Royal Air Force Air Cadets Astra, which has fundamentally changed us, and our aims are basically now airspace and cyber.
So what we're doing here with the cadets is inspiring them to pursue STEM, either as a career or a role within the Air Force. So Belfast City Airport has enabled us to deliver all the courses that we want to deliver to the cadets. Really, with their funding, we're able to give them the end-to-end learning experience the whole way through, using the 3D printer to teach CAD, to building electronics using the Arduino kits, right the way through to making a robot work, which is something that you don't necessarily get in school, and that's through the City Airport giving us that funding.
The Airport Community Fund is there to provide funds for local projects within the community, and it helps to educate people and bring the communities together. It's all about, you know, bringing new skills to the fore for the younger generations, giving them education and future-proofing them for future employment.
My daughter joined about 18 months ago and has absolutely loved it here. The amount of confidence she's gained from here is beyond belief.
We're learning about how to use 3D printers, how to build things, and how to program them, like robots and them types of things.
I'm actually really loving it. It's something like new. We don't really experience this in school, and there's not very many programs like it.